Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to minimize your photo file size. Just search up Pixlr. It's a free web browser editing tool. It requires no installation, so basically you could start away real quick. So you just want to open your image. So I just open it up, and as you can see, just a regular photo of like some trees, whatever. And we go to view info. It is 9.9 megabytes, which is pretty big for a photo. If you want to decrease that, all you want to do is press on the save button. Make sure that your file type is on JPG, and then you can move this quality bar. You can have it at low, medium. Yeah, so I prefer mid. So you can go lower if you want. I just go to 2 megabytes. The more megabytes it has, the more detailed stored. So around this is good. And I just want to download. I just want to open it, see how it looks. And as you can see, it's not really much of a change.